Hello everyone, this is Dr. Esperanza and we are now on the last week of our semester, and for week number 8, you're still going to be working on our regular tasks, the discussion tasks, the My Math Lab assignment, and the only thing that's going to be added is the signature assignment, and I'm going to talk to you about the video assignment just for you to have a more organized thoughts on how you're going to deal with this week's final exam or final week's tasks. So for the signature assignment, you are going to be surveying 9 people. So you can use your social media or you can use your phone. Just make sure that you're going to be reading the instruction in the signature assignment to get the full credit that you would deserve for this particular assignment. So 9 samples, and then you're going to be working on the first task, which is to work on the confidence interval. So after collecting your 9 samples, you're going to be working on the confidence interval based on your 9 samples. So you're going to be answering the sub questions on problem number 2. And then on problem number 3, using the same set of data, you're going to be working on the hypothesis testing for mean, and you're going to be working on the full hypothesis testing procedure, from writing the hypothesis correctly to working on the calculation for finding the p-value and for writing the conclusion in the context of the problem. And after that, for the 4th task, you're going to be working on the correlation coefficient and interpreting the value of R of your 9 data set that you have collected from the previous tasks. And for the last task, task number 5, it is your reflection paper. So you're supposed to write down 1 or 2 paragraphs on what you have learned in Math211. Now, for your video assignment, another thing that you need to work on for this week, you need to present your problem number 2. Only problem number 2. But if you want to present problem 1 up until 5, it's up to you, but as a minimum requirement, you just need to present and explain how you're able to work on the confidence interval for problem number 2. So that is for your video assignment, and for your video assignment, make sure that I am seeing your face on the video. Otherwise, you're not going to get any full credit or any credit at all if we don't see your face in the video. Read through this assignment page, read through the rubric, because you know that to be able to know how you will be graded, you need to really pay attention on the instruction for this week's tasks. So we are now on the last week of our semester, and I just want to congratulate all of you who have maintained your A grade in our Math211 class. We've been here for 8 weeks, and for most of you who thought that they're not going to be able to do statistics in an online virtual classroom, I commend you for trying, and I commend you for doing your best, and on top of that, keeping your A in our class. Alright, so again, this is Dr. Esperanza, and if you need help, just send me an email and text me on the Remind app, and I wish you all the best. Bye!